Cause how the fuck?
Tore that thing down, baby. They hit each other so hard. They on the side.
Missed the road completely.
But it's when we get up here to that other car. I wonder, did they hit the ice, or did they just hit each other like one was turning, one was going straight?
And it smacked.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm trying to figure out how his door come off. Like, Jesus.
I know. That's what I'm saying. That's what I wanted to see. The door.
Move up a little bit, Nissan.
If they would do it correctly, it's a four-way when the light is out. Treat it like a four-way stop sign.
Like door gounce.
Jesus.
It's gounce.
Said doors optional on this motherfucker.
Yeah.